the combo that runs my entire online business even at 40 plus. Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. If you're 40 or older and you're building, rebuilding, or finally starting your online business, you're in the right place. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of the exact tools I use every single day to create content, keep my audience engaged, build my list, and run a simple digital business without needing a tech degree, a massive audience, or hours a day. These tools made business easier for me at 40 plus, and I promise they'll make it easier for you too. I'm going to show you how ChatGPT helps me create daily content, how my proprietary Turnkey Flow inside ChatGPT keeps me consistent, how System.io keeps my business organized, automated, and growing. So grab a notebook, get comfy, and give yourself the green light, because this might be the video that finally makes everything click. The truth about being 40 plus and starting an online business, let's be honest. Starting an online business over 40 hits differently. Most of us aren't trying to be influencers. We don't want to dance on TikTok. We're not trying to live online 24/7. Or we want simplicity, clarity, income without overwhelm, a way to show up that feels natural, tools that take work off your shoulders, not add more. And the biggest fear most people have at this age, technology is going to leave me behind. Let me say this loud and clear. You are not behind. You're just one simple system away from momentum. And that's why these tools matter. How ChatGPT became my daily content partner. ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, doesn't complain, and knows exactly how to help you get your message out. Here's how I use it every day. I type in a simple idea or moment. It turns it into clear, compelling content. I give it my personal spin. I post it. Done. No staring at a blank screen. No wishing inspiration would hit. No 3-hour content sessions. At 40 plus, this is the assistant your brain deserves. My proprietary turnkey flow inside ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. Inside ChatGPT, I use a simple turnkey flow that keeps me turn life moments into content, stay consistent without stress, build trust through storytelling, tie everything back to my offers, grow my audience daily. The flow keeps me from overthinking, it keeps me in momentum, and it keeps my content relevant even when life is lifted. Or, excuse me, I mean to say life is life. When you're over 40, this is priceless. We don't need 24/7 steps. We need simple, doable, repeatable. System.io, the all-in-one platform that keeps me sane. Let's talk about the backbone of my business, System.io. This is the tool I use to build my email list, create landing pages, send emails, run automations, house my funnels, deliver my digital products. And before you start thinking you need to be technical, I set mine up in a weekend. And if I can do this at 40 plus, you can absolutely do it too. System.io takes the pressure off. You don't need multiple platforms. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to figure out tech. You need one hub. System.io is that hub. Section num- so how these tools work together to build my business? Here's the real magic. ChatGPT helps you create content. Your turnkey flow keeps you consistent. System.io captures leads, builds your list, and nurtures your tribe. This is how we grow without burnout. This is how we stay relevant at 40 plus. This is how we build online without sacrificing our life. When these three tools work together, your business becomes simpler, faster, clearer, and way less stressful. You focus on showing up. The tools do the rest. If you've been craving a way to build an online business that doesn't drain you, confuse you, or require you to be 20 years old with endless energy, give yourself the green light. You deserve tools that work for you, not against you. If you're ready, I'll drop the links below so you can explore everything I use. You're one simple system away from momentum, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Hit like, share this with a 40 plus year old friend who needs encouragement, and I'll see you in the next video.